This is a beginner video for those of you who are new to pivot tables, especially if you want to analyze quickly, you want to get the expenses per month, and you have debits and you have credit and you have the total amount here, and you want to do a quick table using pivot tables. I'm using Excel 2019. So you go to insert button, pivot table. When you click there, Excel will automatically select for you the data or the data source that is selected from table from row number A1 to 49,022. Then you click OK. So click OK. This menu comes up with all the fields from your data set there. You drag this to rows. Let's say we want a report of the day monthly report by debit and credit, like that. Then on the month, we can now do those group. We need to group this so that it's automatically grouped to months only. Then you click OK so that you have your report like that. Thank you for watching. My name is David Kandiye.